This is French one. Also,
Do you want to look the video?
if you like my music, check the link in the description. My Mixcloud, mixcloud.com/DJSwellRemix. I'm coming here from, you see the sign above me, the Holiday Inn Resort in Hua Hin. It's beautiful. I'm here from the infinity pool, and it's really fantastic. It's a great place. Anyway, tomorrow is of course gym time. There is a water park here where you can enjoy the whole day. It's also inclusive in the hotel. So just before I go, then I go to the gym, check it out here, and then make a gym review for you guys. So it's going to be the Holiday Inn Hua Hin Resort and Spa. Has a different name, including the water park. I have to check that out, but we just arrived here, so I'm gonna enjoy here 5 days and do a lot of walking around, a lot of looking, and well, you see my gym video, and then you can check it out yourself. This gym is sufficient for you to have a proper training, good training, medium or light. See you then. Short reminder, since I have a non-training day today, I'm gonna have a pool bar which has fantastic views of the infinity pool. So nice cold one. See you on the next one. Good morning. It's 8:45, and I just finished my morning workout in the Holiday Inn here in Hua Hin, Holiday Inn Resort. As promised, I give you a quick gym review of what you can get here, what kind of training you can get. I had today my shoulder workout and did some cardio afterwards, but I give you a quick tour around. It has a lot of space. It could do with some more machines. With 2 benches, good benches to do your exercises, and then we have the dumbbells, starting at 2 kilos, going up 4, 6, 8, all the way until 20. So not really heavy, but you can get a basic workout, so that's good. Normally I train a little bit heavier on my shoulders, especially the shoulder press, but we have a machine here for this. I show you this. We also saw it in the Western Grand Sukhumvit, which has the same life fitness equipment, which you can add in 3 different positions. So you have the chest, you have the incline, and you have the shoulder press. Furthermore, they have for the pecs and the rear deltoid, the biceps. Then we have the leg curl. I don't want to disturb the people because they have their workout. Leg extension, leg curl, the same one, and the leg press. We saw the same ones in the Grand Sukhumvit. Then cardio equipment, 3 running machines, so 2 cross trainers, 2 seated, one seated bike and 2 normal bikes. Then back there is a little space where you can do some stretching. The mats are there. That is a very clean place, and this one, some cables where you can do some basic exercises. So all in all, it's not bad. I think for me the best thing is the view, because it's a fantastic view outside. You can see the sea. And so when you do your cardio, you have some motivation there, and that's great. That's really great. And for the rest, yeah. For this hotel, it's a very big hotel. It is well, it's a resort. It's connected to the water park, so it is. And there is a lot of guests coming here. It is sufficient, but if you want a real, then you need a little bit more. So then you have to go in town to do your training. But I've done it. It was enough. You know, I don't have to push myself every day during holidays. So that's also fine. So I'm happy I could do the training. It's very quiet in the morning, so that's fine. In the afternoon, it's a little bit more busy. I took a look yesterday, and it was a little bit more busy. But yeah. So this is my quick review. The Holiday Inn Resort in Hua Hin, the gym. So catch you later. Hi all, I hope you can hear me. Walking on the beach here in Hua Hin. It's beautiful weather. The sea is fantastically warm. It is 26, 27 degrees of water, so I cannot imagine. People windsurfing. The wind is perfect for this hobby, so it is really nice outdoor sports to do here. It's day 4 here, staying still in the Holiday Inn Resort. Tomorrow checking out and going to the Sheraton Hua Hin Resort and Spa. And of course, there I'm gonna make my third gym review video. This is just some in-between snap, what I'm doing. I know I don't have professional equipment and do this with my phone, but I hope you can still hear me and at least hear a little bit about the waves. Okay, see you at my review tomorrow.